Stop being such a little sensitive dangling balls and fucking pussy up. We're evil. We're gonna have an evil color.
But it would be funny. It would be funny if, like, one country just were like, you know what? We're fucking straight up evil, bruh.
Yeah.
It's how we roll.
We're making our color just, like, jet black with, like, orange.
Yeah. With an orange skull.
And our flag is just gonna be two evil eyes with tiny pupils.
Yeah. And
like, gnashing teeth.
Yeah. And in the corner is going to be a butthole with your country's flag really close to it.
And we're just gonna light it on fire every time we
Our flag is just
up.
going to be fire on a stick. And we put it right out on your fucking hair.
And we're just gonna have every god of death from every religion printed on the front. Just Satan and Hades and this guy and...
Fantastic.